the snow, as we know, has really been in short supply this winter.
It feels a little bit more, though, like a normal February night, don't you think? Ben Henry is live at Maple Grove talking to people about the weather. Many wishing they were right there with you, Ben.
Yeah, Ben, nice fire.
You know, Kevin, Lindsay, there's room for at least one more. This is a two-seater here, all by my lonesome. You know, it's been quite a day. St. Paul, St. Cloud, now Maple Grove, but since we're by the fire now at Arbor Lakes, all is well. And yeah, the folks we spoke with, you know, many say this is overdue. Most of Minnesota had a date with Mother Nature this Valentine's Day. The evening came with a side of slow traffic, a solid heaping of snow.
Yeah, you better get some pizza and some root beer floats.
And plans to hunker down.
Yeah. Everybody forgets how to drive that first snowstorm.
With so much time since the last, it sure felt like the first snowstorm of the season.
Yeah, I mean, it's been weird everywhere for sure.
Caden Agri is in town from Colorado. He knows this weather well. And with plans to ice fish, he's hoping the cold sticks with the snow.
So coming home to this is actually kind of nice. You know, shows that there's actually a little more winter left.
Agri's not alone. Ryan Cranston got to bust out the pickup.
Before I even got on the road, I put it in four-wheel drive because, I mean, I had to drive my small little BMW to get this truck, and it was not fun driving there to get it.
For some, their Valentine's Day winter storm date landed them in the ditch. A reminder, Mother Nature isn't done with winter yet.
It's been very enjoyable. I haven't minded it at all. Now I get to learn how to drive in the snow again.
Yeah, we'll be slow going on our way home as well. You know, I thought about this because it is a holiday, and I double-checked with Ren on this one. The last time we got snow like this in the metro, it was Halloween.